Here are the ingredients that you will need for the one-dish chicken dinner. First, we're going to start out with 6 potatoes. You're going to peel and chop these potatoes. Next, you're going to add your chopped potatoes to an ungreased large casserole dish. Now you're going to move your potatoes over to one side of the casserole dish. Next, you're going to add 1 bag of frozen green beans. I really like the fine green beans the best. Now you're going to move your green beans on the other side of the casserole dish, and we'll leave a space in the middle for our chicken. Next, we're going to take 4 to 5 chicken breasts and we're going to trim them up. I love these kitchen scissors. They're KitchenAid and they are the best. We're just going to trim up the chicken and then we're going to add it to our dish. Next, you're going to add the chicken right in the middle of the casserole dish. Next, we're going to add a 1/2 cup or 1 square of butter sliced and 1 package of Italian dressing mix. You're going to sprinkle the mix evenly on top of all the potatoes, the chicken, and the green beans. And then you're going to add big slices of butter all evenly across the top as well. Place tin foil over the top, and then we're going to cook this in a 375-degree oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. It kind of depends on how thick you cut your potatoes and your chicken. So just test it after 1 hour and 15 minutes. If it needs a little bit more time, then give it a little bit more time. But this should be around the perfect time. And it's not pretty when it comes out, but boy, it sure does taste good. Here are the ingredients that you will need for the upside down spaghetti. This is a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish, and we're going to take 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and you're going to take a spoon and just spread it out in the bottom of your pan. Next, we're going to cook our noodles. So go ahead and add some salt to your boiling water, and then we're going to add 16 ounces of thin spaghetti noodles. Add your hot cooked noodles over the cream cheese mixture. Then you're going to top the noodles with 1 large jar of spaghetti sauce, and you're going to evenly spread over top of all the noodles. Then you're going to top this with mild cheddar cheese. You're just going to spread all the cheese all over the top evenly. Bake at 350 degrees until the cheese is melted. Here are the ingredients that you will need for the creamy tuna noodle casserole. First, you're going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup to a saucepan. Also, start boiling your water for your noodles. Then you're going to add a 1/2 cup of sour cream, next you're going to add a 1/2 cup of milk. Add a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, turn your stove to medium heat and stir this really well. Next, cook your noodles according to the package directions. And you're going to add 3 cups of noodles. Next, you're going to add 2 cans of drained tuna fish. Add 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix this together really well, and then you're just going to make sure that it's all the way heated through. When the noodles are cooked, drain them, and then we're going to add our tuna mixture and mix this together really well. Next, you're going to take a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, grease it really well, and then we're going to add our noodle mixture. Cook in a 350 degree oven for 20 minutes. And then I like to take these miniature bags of the Lay's chips and I crush them inside the bag. It takes 2 to 3 bags depending on how many chips you want for your topping. After 20 minutes, you'll go ahead and add 1 more cup of cheddar cheese and your potato chip topping, and you'll cook that for another 10 minutes. Top your casserole with fresh parsley right before serving. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you subscribe. I post new recipes every single Wednesday. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.